In this video, I will show you step by step how you can cancel Notion AI. So if you subscribed to Notion AI and you are no longer wanting to use this and you want to cancel your subscription, what we need to do once we are on Notion is if, for example, the sidebar isn't showing, we want to go to this symbol here. And if we click on this, it will then open up the sidebar. You want to then go down to settings. Once we select settings, go again to the sidebar here, scroll all the way down to the bottom, where you will now see an option for billing. Click on billing, and then you've got now a plan and also billing period. Now, if you want to cancel your current plan, you want to go to change plan, go up to the free version, select the free version, select continue, and then as you can see, this will allow you now to cancel your plan. So if we click on continue, if we go down, you can select downgrade, and then once you do that, it will now update your subscription, and then you will then be put back on to the free version of Notion AI. So as you can see, it has now been cancelled. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can cancel Notion AI.